Topic 1. Elon Musk discusses significant pay package and potential of Optimus robots to elevate Tesla's valuation to $25 trillion. Tesla shareholders have reaffirmed CEO Elon Musk's $56 billion compensation package from 2018 at the 2024 annual shareholder meeting, responding to a Delaware court's previous decision to invalidate the package. Shareholders also voted in favor of moving the company's corporate registration from Delaware to Texas. This decision reassures Musk's continued focus on Tesla and provides relief to his supporters. Musk shared his vision for Tesla's future, promising advancements in autonomous vehicles, robotics, and AI. The shareholder support demonstrates that Musk's success is closely tied to Tesla's, despite legal disputes. Topic 2. Pentagon allocates $5.6 billion to rocket program involving Blue Origin, SpaceX, and ULA. The U.S. Department of Defense announced Blue Origin, SpaceX, and United Launch Alliance, ULA, as winners in the first National Security Space Launch (NSSL) program contract bids. The $5.6 billion program sees Blue Origin participating for the first time, with the three companies eligible to competitively secure up to 90 rocket launches by mid-2029. In the previous phase of the NSSL program, ULA secured 26 missions for $3.1 billion and SpaceX 22 missions for $2.5 billion. Blue Origin and Northrop Grumman were not selected in Phase 2. Phase 3 is divided into two paths, Lane 1 and Lane 2, allowing more companies to bid. Topic 3. Bank of Japan maintains interest rate while planning to reduce JGB purchases. The Bank of Japan, BOJ, announced it would maintain its interest rate at 0.1% while beginning to scale back its massive bond buying program. This move is another step towards normalizing Japan's monetary policy, with BOJ planning to announce details of the bond purchase reduction at its next meeting on July 30 to 31. The move comes as Japan's inflation exceeds the 2% target, and other major central banks have already implemented tighter monetary policies. The BOJ's decision affected the yen and Japanese bond yields, with a positive reaction in the Japanese stock market. Japan's core consumer price index, excluding energy costs, is expected to accelerate to 2.6%, suggesting the BOJ may raise rates further in the coming months. Topic 4. President Biden nominates Christy Goldsmith Romero to head the FDIC. President Joe Biden has nominated Christy Goldsmith Romero, a member of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, to be the new chair of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, replacing Martin Gruenberg. Gruenberg announced his intention to resign following a report that revealed a toxic workplace culture at the FDIC, including sexual harassment and discrimination. Romero has a background in enforcement and previously served as the Special Inspector General for the Troubled Asset Relief Program, TARP. Her nomination is seen as a move to address the FDIC's internal issues and bring a fresh perspective to the agency. Romero's nomination will need to be confirmed by the Senate. Topic 5. Chinese automakers surpass U.S. sales, marking a significant shift in the automotive industry. Chinese car companies outsold American companies for the first time last year, with Chinese brands selling 13.4 million new cars compared to about 11.9 million by U.S. brands. The growth of leading Chinese brand BYD and expansion in emerging markets drove the sales increase. Chinese brands have expanded market share, particularly in emerging economies, and also in developed economies like Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and Israel. However, trade barriers are expected to rise in 2024 due to measures to protect local industries from cheap Chinese exports. The EU has already raised tariffs on Chinese electric cars to up to 38%, and the US has increased tariffs to 100%. Turkey has also decided to impose an additional 40% tariff on Chinese vehicles. Topic 6. Putin outlines conditions for peace talks with Ukraine. Russian President Putin announced he is ready to start peace talks if Ukraine